Okay, so I made the video by accident too long last time. So I just trimmed it and put it to a good time. God, this is this game is exhausting. Really? I even stepped back. I even went to a step back and I get all the way friggin' here? Are you serious? This is such bull. Well, this guy seems like he's standing on. Oh, for Christ's sakes. God damn it, move! Oh yeah, act excited about me? It didn't even say I had a grenade thing under me. This mission is starting to tick me off. RPG, RPG. Ah. Haha! Oh my god, no. Are you serious? There's no more ammo now? Great. Wow, that was the most ammo I think I've held in my hand in forever. Oh my god, that was so much. You guys see those explosions? Oh yeah, how much did I get? I forget. Oh yeah, 1. God damn it! I have this on recruit. Oh, thank God. Flip over the dang gun, please. This mission is hell. How are you shooting at me? Wow, I look out. I look out. Then I go back in, and then I come out again, and they're just all dead. I don't understand. I get hit by two hits to the face with a gun, and then I die. I'm just gonna stand here and let them do all the work. Seriously, why am I doing this much? It's not even funny anymore. God, this is I hate this mission. This mission sucks balls. If only the grenades actually did crack. But no, they don't do anything pretty much. If only we had a goddamn freaking Air Force. If I can only climb boxes. Okay, good. We're back here now. I am not enjoying this. I am tired of this stupid bullcrap. Do this! Oh yeah! Wait, I can actually walk it? Nobody just have to sit in like one spot. Haha! See you later, suckers! Really? Like there's a bunch of innocent people there. Oh my god, this is like hell right now. This is actually really cool so far though. This is, I think, the ending of this mission is my favorite part of the game and the mission. Oh my sweet baby Jesus. Oh, I could have, oh man, I so wish I could just like jump onto the damn train. How cool would that be? How am I supposed to kill them? With an SMG on a freaking truck, that they're on a freaking train. What's going on? Oh my god, we're screwed. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're dead. I swear to god if this is the end of the game. Hopefully it doesn't end really soon. I kind of want it to stay for a while.
Bravo 6, do you copy? Bravo 6, what's your status?
I'm so injured, man. Waffle Croft. Wallcroft. Lara Croft. Husband. Oh god. Oh no, I'm just joking, guys. Whoa! Killing? Oh, why do I have to do everything? I'm just gonna lay down here. Good night. Yeah! my god, this one does actually really good damage. Oh my god. Well, apparently there's grenades everywhere in that goddamn room. You gotta be kidding me. Really, it's gonna send me all the way back here. Oh, okay. No, I thought it was at the beginning. Oh, long screen. Oh, just die. You're dead. Oh, is there a grenade there? Nobody's in the damn room. Everybody's down, and then there was this one. Oh, thank God at least. God, these stupid grenade people. How do you like it? No, you're not throwing any more goddamn grenades. Well, I think it came from up here then, probably. What is he doing? He's like, ooh, yeah.
Hold your fire! Hold your fire! Nice timing, mates! Let's try to get that up there! You better get top side! Let's go, boys!
Was I supposed to do that? I think they were obviously going to kill him anyway. Doctor Who? Not really, that's a telephone booth, not a police box. I guess it's the same thing, yeah, a telephone booth is a police box. That's what it is, pretty. Yeah, that's what the police, that's what it is, police box is, a telephone booth. Oh my god.
We're secure. What's the status on the others? Baseplate, come in! Baseplate, where are the trucks?
Screw this damn mission! What? What is this? This is actually kind of cool. I feel like she's gonna get run over by a car any moment. And I knew. I kind of called it. I mean, like, she didn't get hit by a car, but she got hit with something. She's definitely dead. Oh my god, finally. That's so sad. Just, look, Daddy, there's birds. Look. That's so sad.